Welcome to the mid-level Polestar 2, simply called the long-range single motor. It's a fully electric midsizer targeting the likes of the Tesla Model 3. It's based on Volvo's CMA platform as shared with the XC40 and C40. We really like the look of this thing. It's very suave and understated in a Swedish kind of way, but also well proportioned, and it doesn't really look like anything else on the market. The defined body lines and firm edges also give it a sturdy stance, unlike some of the overly curvy and swoopy designs out at the moment. The rear end features an elegant thin taillight that stretches across the full width, with only a subtle Polestar badge in the middle, in black in this case, making it quite mysterious. Many onlookers probably don't even know what it is. Polestar has since announced a pretty major update for the 2024 model year, switching the single motor to a rear-wheel drive layout. But this, being a 2022 model, remains front-wheel drive. It comes with a set of sophisticated 19-inch alloy wheels that measure 245/45 on the front and back. Grip levels are outstanding, including with a 170 kilowatt hit straight off the mark. Like the exterior, the interior is pleasant yet stylish, with a wide spread of quality materials. The driving position is perfect, and we love the clean and clutter-free touchscreen layout. However, we would prefer some more physical buttons, even just for the common settings like the climate control. This example shows off the wood trimming and tan leather combination, which is quite nice. And it's good to see some darker textures used on the hard wearing areas, such as on the sides of the center console. Passenger space is adequate for 4 adults, and in saying that, about average for the mid-size premium market. Rear passengers get their own climate vents and charging ports, which is great, and legroom is okay, but not for the middle seat. The doors are also quite small, leaving a narrow opening towards the bottom. Up at the back, the boot floor is at a good height for easy access, and with 405 litres available, it is a very usable space. The rear seats also fold down completely flat for just under 1100 litres, and there is a rather large cavity under the floor, perfect for charging cables and whatnot. Under the bonnet is where you'll find some electrical components, including the motor for the front axle, but there's also a shallow storage tub, which is perfect for the charging cable as well. Performance is pretty good for a single motor model, and it's also very refined and quiet to drive. We also really like the ride quality in this mid-level model. This is what it goes like